Hi friends, it's Amy with Make Something Inc. I'm so glad you could join me today. I am an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And I get the paper pumpkin box every month. This month I got the Sassy Sunshine box, and I'm going to show you an alternate I did with the materials I got in my kit. So here are all the things that came in my kit, and as you can see, you get the cards, the ink, the stamps, some embellishments, card bases, stickers, envelopes, all kinds of fun stuff. So, it's not really my style to show you guys how to make the cards that they give you instructions for in the box. What I want to do is kind of show you how to make a couple of alternate cards as well as my thought process when I open up a box. So people frequently ask me how I get my ideas, so I'm going to show you a little bit. Sometimes it's just happenstance. I'm just throwing things around and something speaks to me, and sometimes it's very intentional. So you'll kind of see that. And if you want to get straight to the Sassy Sun, you can fast forward to 4.5 minutes. But like, look there, that little random pile up top looks kind of like Abby Cadabby from Sesame Street. So yeah. So when I first videoed this, I was just trying to take all these pieces out to kind of show you what came with the kit. But as I started laying the pieces down, it was feeling very Muppety. So like for example, up top there, this randomly looks like the Fire Squad from Labyrinth to me, which is a Jim Henson character. I don't think I even noticed that until I looked at the video, but that was pretty cool. So now I decided I want to use this box and kind of play with the pieces a little bit to see what else I can conjure up. This isn't really speaking to me. I was thinking maybe it looks like a toucan or an owl. I wasn't really willing to make anything with it. Then I played with the shape of the pineapple a little bit, and this honestly kind of looks like beaker to me. So I was looking at that for a while, but I didn't really feel like making a beaker card. So changed it around a little bit more. Tried flipping the pineapple around, playing with the pieces some more. Now I think it looks like Floyd from the Muppets. Maybe that's a stretch, but still, again, didn't really want to make that with a card. Then I had a really good idea. What if I took the pineapple and then these leaves that go with the lemons look very mustachy, and so look at that. It makes me think of Veggie Fruit, which was a show at Disney like when I was really little. So I made this little guy with a little mustache, and I just think it's the cutest card ever. And I showed everybody in my network this card. It was really easy to make. You just use little pops of the polka dot black and the regular sentiment. I cut half of a sunshine to put at the top there just to balance out the card a little bit, but that's me cutting with my fingers. Real good aim. Yeah, so, and then I have my two little dots there for the eyes. Now when I did the dots, I started to have more ideas about what I could do, and that's where I came up with my Sassy Sunshine card. So I used this retired punch, which is a 1/2 inch round, but you can use whatever you want to make your little circles. It's just what I had on hand. When I cut out the eyes for my pineapple and I saw the two holes on the patterned background like this, it just really reminded me of a really cute one-piece polka dot swimsuit. And so I decided to try to make this little angular women's one-piece swimsuit that I thought might be fun for the card. And this is how I made it. You don't have to be perfect here. And then I put those dots right on that swimsuit shape to make it look like a feminine figure. I really like this sunburst card for this design, and I'll tell you why in a second. this is my my snail, which is retired. Now there's something out, it's called the Stamp and Seal, and if you like no mess paper crafting, like no glue, this is like, it will change your world. There is a new product out, it's called Stamp and Seal. This is the item number if you want to get one. I use so much of this and it just makes my life so much better when I'm paper crafting. And so the reason I like this sunburst card is because it gives the illusion of arms and legs kind of coming out of that swimsuit without actually having to give my design arms and legs, because that would be kind of weird. Now I'm going to add a little accent on the right side of the card here just to help balance out the card, and it's going to anchor some of the sentiment and other accents that I'm going to put along the top. So I pre-stamped Sending Sunshine on this little sentiment piece, and I'm going to use this for my card. I'm going to put it on some dimensionals, which is going to pop it up so that it's up a little higher than the rest of the images. And then I'm also going to use a lemon to represent the actual sun in this card, since the sun is going to be personified. Here's some more snail going down on the sunshine, just to place it down flat on top of the swimsuit. Okay, so that looks good, but now I have an idea. Since we're sending sunshine, I want to give the sun, the sassy sun, a little something to feel like she received some sunshine. So I'm going to take this scrap that was between my sentiment pieces on the white cardstock here, and I'm going to trim it to look like a little mixed drink glass. Look at that. Isn't that cute? This is where my fellow paper pumpkinites will say I went totally rogue. I took the advertisement that was in my box and I'm going to cut that up too, because I want to add a little pop of varied color to represent the drink inside the glass. So I'm just going to cut this up and try not to cut Sarah. That's the CEO. Okay. And now I'm going to speed some of this up for you because putting this together was a little tedious. Please don't hate me. It's a lot of little cuts and little pieces to make this come together. So there we go. If ever there was a way to send our sun goddess some sunshine, I think it would be with this mixed drink. We're gonna pop it up and put it in just the right angle so that she can reach it and enjoy. So now I'm gonna get started on her face for you. And what I'm gonna do first is cut this black polka dot again with a circle. And I'm going to trim it in half to give her some cute little sunglasses. Don't forget that the polka dot paper is actually adhesive, so you can peel the back off to place the pieces right on. You don't need any extra adhesive, which is cool. And now to make her mouth, I'm going to trim 4 of these arches off of the border that was around the sunshine, and I'm going to get all that white off of the arches and then use the curves to make a dynamic mouth of some sort for her. I'm not sure I have her mouth totally placed perfectly, but I'm definitely thinking that this is looking very sassy. Okay, so now here is my big magical finale. I am going to take 2 of these strips from the sentiment paper and I am going to Jacob ladder it by putting it together in a 90-degree angle, and then we're going to speed it up, but you just fold down every other side until you get about halfway through both sides, and then we're going to stop. I'm going to use one of these glue dots to secure the Jacob ladder closed. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim one of the ends completely off, and then I'm going to make the other remaining ends just a little bit shorter. Can you believe that we just made her a bendy straw for her drink? How cute is this? So I'm going to attach it above the drink with some more glue dots, and then I'm going to get one more piece of that skinny white cardstock, and I'm going to angle it right towards her mouth so it looks like she's having a nice refreshing sip. I cannot tell you how excited I am with how this came out. I think it's just so adorable. The way her face turned out, she looks so sassy. She's got her cool swimsuit and her drink with her bendy straw, and it says Sending Sunshine. And I have two of them now that I'm going to mail to two of my favorite people that are sassy. And it's just a wonderful alternate for the June 2020 paper pumpkin kit. See you later. If you like my video, please hit the thumbs up button or leave me a comment below. You can also subscribe to my channel to see more of my paper pumpkin kit alternates. The next one I'll be doing is the Summer Nights kit for July 2020. If you'd like to sign up to get a kit, you can email me at amy@makesomethingink.com. This kit's really great. It's going to include fireflies, ferris wheels, and roller coasters. I'm so excited. See you next time, friends. Bye.